Okay, in this video, we want to create a drop-down list within a cell to have the same result as this. Here we have the different product, and I want to select either lemon, either cherry, either kiwi, or orange. So like this. In this case, we just have 4 different elements, so 4 different products. So we could imagine to type manually the information we want to select because we have a few information. So let's dive into this. So very easy. So first I go on the cell where I want to have the list. Then I click on the menu which is called a data, just here. And then I will click in data tools here and specifically on this icon. And this icon is called data validation. So I want to validate on the cell to authorize a list. I could authorize many things. I have different options, but I want to just to authorize a list. So now I click on the icon. So I'm here. So data validation, settings, validation criteria, allow. So I want to allow a list. So I click here, list. So I want to allow a list and I want the source of the list to be typed manually. So I just have to type the different product. So my product are very easy, no matter the organization. So here, cherry, semicolon, kiwi, semicolon, orange, semicolon, lemon. It's because I know by heart because we can't see them. So it's semicolon. Don't remember that if you work on Excel online, the semicolon is replaced by comma. If you work on Google Sheet online, it could be comma instead of semicolon if it is an American display. So cherry, semicolon, kiwi, semicolon, orange, semicolon, lemon, within the source. This is the source of my information. So this is this information here. So I want to allow a list, and within the list, the source is this, and that. And I say OK. Just to remind me that the cell containing the drop-down list with which I can't identify, what I will do, I will add a color here. So now I can select within the list. I work on Office 365, and in this version, what I will do can be done. But if you work in a former Office version, maybe it couldn't work. So I show you. So I want to create a drop-down list now, but based on the product I have here: lemon, cherry, kiwi, orange. If I want to refer to a range of information based on a sheet, let's say I want the range of the list based on this column. If I select this, I will see within the drop-down list lemon, lemon, cherry, 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 kiwi, 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 orange, orange, orange. So I won't have any filtering. I won't have a unique information, a unique lemon, unique cherry, unique kiwi, unique orange, like this. But as we work in Office 365 in the last version, if you do this, if you select the source of the information from the cell I3 up to I17, Excel with will filter automatically the information to have unique information, unique one lemon, one cherry, one kiwi, one orange. Let's dive in. So first, data, the same as before. Data validation. I want to allow a list, but here in the source, I say I want from this cell up to this one. the source, and the source, my list, is within this. And I say OK. And now we see we have lemon, cherry, kiwi, orange. The third option can be to give a name to my range of information. So I say here, this is my product. So I go back here. I give a name in the name box. Let's say my product. Enter. And then within the cell I want to give a drop-down list, I want to insert a drop-down list, I will refer to the name of the range of information, my products. And if I want to refer to the name, within the source, I will have to type equal and the name I gave. So let's go back here, data validation, the same, any values, list, but here I just want to refer to the name I gave before, equal my products. And then type with enter. And now I can see lemon, cherry, kiwi, orange. So the first one is manually, if I summarize. Cherry, kiwi, orange, lemon. The second one is to refer to a range of information from I3 up to, so this one, boom. And the third one is based on the name I gave before from I3 up to I17, and the name given is my product. And if I want to refer this within the source, I will type equal the name I gave to the range. And we see it here. Thanks for watching.